Hello guys, today I will show you how to add more RAM. Not you can see on property of my computers, but this RAM is be added, so you can add this RAM by your notepad. So let's go to create new text document and open it, and this you have to type my string. My string is equal to bracket 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0 and again bracket close, and click on file, save as, save it to your desktop as the name of capital RAM dot VBE RAM VBE, and save it, and you can see that it will be occur on your desktop by this kind of file. So just when you have to make your PC running to run fast, you have to double click on it, and you can see it will be increase your computer performance. Thanks, that's it. It may help you in making your PC speed faster.